Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Celia Mae from Monsters Inc. on Dress to Impress, removing everything except for the ones I made adjustment on, which is a lot, especially the face as well as the hair. I just didn't do any on the outfit. Well, I did actually, the turtleneck, so let's get started with the video, shall we? For the skin color, I used this one in C3D CD6. I know the hair isn't similar, but I just chose to do it this way. Then I used this beanie here in that same color. Position the Y to 0.56 as well as the Z. Rotate the X to 0.38, Y to 0.75, and scale it to 0.38. For the eyes, I used this mask and colored it white, positioned the Y to 0.58, Z 0.36, rotate the X to 0.52, and scale it to 0.40. For the iris, I used these earrings in 56B682 as well as 0B6868, and I used the glitter material. Position the X to 0.53, Y 0.68, Z 0.37. Oh my gosh, that always happens. Rotate the Y to 0.39 and scale it all the way to 1. Grab these earrings for the middle, color it black, position the Y to 0.55, Z 0.28, rotate the Y to 0.63, and scale it to 0.16. For the eyelids, I use this headband in the same color as the skin. First toggle, position the Y to 0.43, Z 0.32, rotate the X to 0.47, and scale it to 0.08. For the lashes, go to codes and use the third toggle, position the X to 0.41, Y 0.5, Z 0.44, rotate the Y to 0.45, and scale it all the way to a 1. For the smile, I use the thin headband in black. Default, position the Y to 0.56, Z 0.28, rotate the X to 0.29, and scale it to 0.15. For the hair, you can follow as I do or just find the better hair combo than me. I selected this hair and colored it this purple, 77628E. Position the Y to 0.52, Z 0.35, rotate the X to 0.51. Use this hair in bangs only, positioned the Y to 0.54, Z 0.28, rotated the X to 0.51, and scaled it to 0.42. Grab this hair in bangs only, position the Y to 0.55, Z 0.34, and then I use this hair in default, and this hair too, rotated the X to 0.51, and scaled to 0.69. But I think I might go without it. I'm not quite sure. Oops. I just don't like how long it makes the hair. Like when I want to make it kind of short. I can rotate it though and make it shorter, I guess. I don't know. And then for the outfit, okay, let's do the turtleneck neck first. Select this for a hat. Colored it 337 F91. Position the Y to 0.13, Z 0.57. Rotated the X to 0.45 and scale it to 0. For the outfit, I did use some VIP items. I layered, I think this top. I don't know if this top is necessary actually. Use this top in this pattern in silk. And then I also used this dress in silk and in what did I use? Oh, and the same as the skin color. And then I think I did use this dress in codes. This one and that color in silk, and then I did this code item. Where is it? Hello. This one in silk and in that pattern as well. And then lastly, I did use this top here in that color in silk. Maybe the first turtleneck wasn't super necessary. So yeah, this actually is doable except for the floor length dress. Maybe you can try to find alternative. I'm not sure if it works with the new code though. I might try that out. Okay, yeah, it does you can kind of see that it protrudes through the outfit, so let's just go with this. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.